Hello, in front of me I've got Xbox controller GameSir G7 SE. In this video I'll show you how to remap sticks. In order to remap sticks, in the GameSir app, let's go to Sticks and find Advanced Mapping. Go to Output and you can remap left or right stick between sticks, D-pad, mouse. If you select D-pad, you can also switch between D-pad and keyboard. Next, you can remap it further. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.